Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here at Tribal Trades, the daily show. And today we're going to talk about a stock that could go nuclear. And yesterday we saw one of my stock picks, well actually both of the two stock picks that I gave to you yesterday went up in value. In particular, one of them went nuclear and made some incredible gains. We're going to look at those charts. We're going to look at this new stock pick they have for you today that you do not want to miss out on. Before we do that, smash the like button. This does help get this channel out to more people, and of course does help support the channel, as does your wonderful comments, which I've really needed because I've had the attack of the spam bots. And so real people making real comments. Thank you for all of those who take the time to say good day, how you doing, throw another shrimp on the barbie. Are you not entertained? Or why don't you share with me how one of my stock or crypto picks has made you money there? Would love to hear about it in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and you'll get the daily updates. Well, first and foremost, this was a play that I gave to the YouTube community and the Discord community the other day. Absolute crazy gains on ASTX. I gave the trade at $34, and yesterday it hit our target of $55, where it's been a little bit rejected there and has pulled back. I gave a target of $55 there. Okay. Here it is, ASTX. 34.78, target of $55 on the 1st of October. I'm showing you the receipts. Where did it get rejected? Exactly at $55. The tribal trades technicals, the tribal trades levels, one level to rule them all. And look what happened when it broke that level of 34.78. Look what happened. Bang on that level that I gave, and off it went. For those of you, I know many of you flooded the comments that you made money on ASTX. For those of you who didn't, why not? The only reason that you didn't make money, an incredible amount of money, is because you didn't take the trade. You've got to risk it for the biscuit. Scared money doesn't make money, okay? And that was the ASTX trade. But the other trade that I gave just yesterday was SMCX. SMCX was the other trade that I gave yesterday as SMX play that I gave, 46.45 with a target of 64. Let's see where that trade is. I gave this in the YouTube channel as well here, and let's look at those levels. Absolutely incredible there. There it is again there. Gave the trade, and off it took like a rocket ship all the way to $51. In fact, it went as high as $52 there at one point. Absolutely incredible trade for those that took the trade. And again, this is making a nice bull flag pattern here, and a nice break above 51 could see us get to that target. There's a $57 target on the way up to our technical target of there. Now, if we were to lose $49.81, that could be a place that would then, that trade could cut short, and that would be a place to stop out in profit. And I give these incredible trades every day. I give about 6 to 7 trades every day in the Discord, and I've just shared, literally just shared a couple of those trades here with you all, and you can see how well that trade worked out. And we can actually take a technical target for this bull flag here, which I'm going to do right now. We're already in a technical target of 64. Let's see where this particular one will take us. Oh my goodness, it takes us up to our $57 target right there. These technicals there have been very accurate, and if you've taken the trades, you would have made an incredible amount of money. Just taking the SMCX trade, and of course also the ASTX trade. I've got a new trade for you that I think can go nuclear, and it's a bit of a play on words because it is a nuclear stock. Now, you all know how I gave the Oklo trade here that went from $35 all the way to over $100. That was literally almost a 300% gainer had you taken the trade. Now, this is in my Swing Plays channel here, and this was a new channel that I created for the medium to longer term trades. But some of these trades that I've given have hit their targets very quickly. They're meant to take time to play out there. Absolutely fantastic. So, and you can see the coin long one that I gave at $39 went all the way up to $48 just one winner after another because I spend many, many hours of research before I put these trades out. And that's why so many are such a high percentage of winning. The trade that I want to give you today is from our new crowned trader, Trade with April. Absolutely crushed it. She gave 3 trades yesterday. All 3 trades absolutely crushed it. So I want to highlight one of her trades and the technicals on those trades here. And the trade that I want to show you, nuclear trade, of course, is SMU. Now, she also gave an OKLL trade at $77. And I want to show you what that went. And we've been trading OKLL a lot. She's called the OKLL Queen because she just crushes these levels every single day. And she gave that trade at $77. Look what it did. It went all the way up to $100. Listen, just between that trade that I gave, the SMCI and the OKLL trade, if you'd taken those 2 trades in the Tribal Trades Discord, you would have been counting your money. The money printer was turned on with these incredible trades, and I think OKLL could have some more upside. So SMR, which is actually nuclear stock. This is SMU, which is the 2x leverage version of it. I will give you the levels for SMR as well. But she gave the trade in the Tribal Trades Discord. Absolutely incredible trader there, which is why she is one of the crown traders there. She gave this level at $24 there. And so let's have a look at how that performed when she gave that. Well, it went up from $24 all the way up to $28. Absolutely crushed it there. And I do want to give a follow-up technicals to her amazing pick that she did give there. And what you can see here with this trade is I think it could have some more legs in it. And it already has gone up a fair bit. When we saw what happened with OKLL, and this is another nuclear stock, okay? And so that's why I said this stock could go nuclear. Well, it is nuclear and it has gone nuclear. But this is on the 1 hour time frame. Now, the 9 EMA on the 1 hour, which is also the 9 EMA on the weekly, is currently holding at the moment at $27.07. That's an entry there if that level was to hold. At the moment, it is at the moment. If it was not to hold, your next entry is going to be down here at the 20 EMA on the 1 hour time frame at $26.50. And then a third possible entry, if that wasn't to hold, is back down here at $26.03, which is the 50-day moving average. Now, that might be a little bit higher once the market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if this level was to be lost, the trade is over. It's time to exit the trade. That's your stop loss, basically, to get out of the trade if that level does get lost, and then maybe look at getting down a little bit lower here at the 50 EMA at 25. I want to show you this on the daily time frame. I like here we have the trend. It's trending in the right direction there, and I do like a little bit of a rounded bottom there, and I do think a break of that rounded bottom here, you can see that beautiful rounded bottom there at 29 could give it some legs to the upside. I do want to give a target there for where possibly we could reach there on this play here. There we go. Where possibly we could go on this play, and that could take us back up to where we really broke down from, which was about this $43 to $44 area. There's a Fibonacci there. And on the way up, there are Fibonacci's at 34 and at 38 there, okay? So that would be the technical target for that. But of course, it would need to breach this $29 level here. You can see how that has been resistance. It's a Fibonacci level. We found resistance at this Fibonacci level there at 34. Came up, didn't even reach it this time. That's a touch bearish, but might just be a good opportunity to reload and get back in for that one. And remember, your invalidation is down here at $26 there. And if we look at SMR, I'm going to go and give you some levels here. If you can't trade the 2X leverage ETF, then I'm giving you these levels here. The 9 EMA on the 1 hour is at 42.38, pretty much where it is right now. The 20 EMA on the 1 hour is at 41.87 there. And so that would be, and then the last one would be the 50 EMA on the 1 hour, which is at $40.67. And then if it was to lose that level, then that would be invalidated on the actual stock itself, SMR, I would be exiting that trade. That trade would be gone there. And I can give you a technical target to the upside for this one. I haven't done the fibs on this one. There's your rounded bottom there, but we'll give you a little bit of a target to the upside. And we will do a follow-up on this as well, as we always do. We show you how they performed. That would take us back up to right back up. Look at this. And the technicals are just amazing. When you look at charting and technicals, you can see that comes back up to $53. Absolutely incredible there. So big shout out to April. Absolutely amazing trader. She's giving trades daily in the Tribal Trades Discord. And if you did want to join the Tribal Trades Discord, unfortunately is closed at the moment. And we did have it open. We did have it open there for a little bit, and we did close it because it is an exclusive Discord. It's quality over quantity. When I get tagged in the Discord, I want to make sure that there's not too many people that I can't get back to each person that needs help or tags me in the Discord or has a question. And so we maintain the size of the Discord to ensure the quality in the Discord. And that's why we only let a certain amount of people in at a time. Now, the deadline to sign up, we had it open in the month of September. It's now shut. It closed on the 3rd of October. Now, everybody who got in by the 3rd of October, and there's a bunch of you on the wait list, be patient. You will get access. I did promise and guarantee you, if you signed up to the wait list by the 3rd of October, that you would get access in the month of October. And already each day, I'm letting a few from the wait list into the Tribal Trades Discord. Now, if you didn't get the deadline, it is going to be opened up one more time later this year, okay? However, there will be a price increase. So if you want to avoid the price increase and get grandfathered in at the current rate, then I would still encourage you to get on the wait list as soon as possible to ensure that you get locked in at the current rate, and that eventually when it's your turn to get in the Tribal Trades Discord, you get in at the current rate that it currently is. And also you'll get earlier access as well. And so there's a link below in the description of this video. You just might need to click the more button. That will pop out, and you can look at the top link in the description. Click on that to join the waitlist. You do have to put your payment details in, but you won't get charged until you get added to the Tribal Trades Discord. You won't get charged. That just holds your position in the waitlist. And when it's your turn, you will be notified. And if you accept, you pay. And then you're part of the Tribal Trades family. I love to call family because I do feel that we're a family. So many incredible people, so many incredible traders. I love the wins section here in the Tribal Trades Discord. You can see how all these wins are just stacking up. We have our $1,000 per day challenge here. I love this here with Fit Club. MX got to the $1,000 goal with the trades there. Absolutely incredible. And I am on a mission to teach the Tribal Trade system and to provide the trades that are a product of the Tribal Trade system, and using the Tribal Trades indicator as well to help educate and, of course, entertainment, right? So that people can realize that $1,000 per day. And some people have started off the challenge by looking to make $100 per day, or $200 or $300 or $500. And some people have already been on this journey with me since the beginning, like April, who joined the Tribal Trades Discord when I opened it in late January, and she's now trading and making $1,000 per day. People, that is $20,000 to $30,000 per month, depending on whether you trade weekends or not. How much of that kind of money is life-changing for you? And this is what the Tribal Trades Discord is all about, is true wealth transformation with the Tribal Trades system, a full curriculum trading course that teaches you how I trade, how I get the trades, how I share the trades. And I know many people are just taking now their own trades within the Discord, as well as taking my plays, because they've learned the Tribal Trades trading system. We have the Tribal Trades indicator, of course, which is part of the cost of the Discord. You don't have to pay extra for that. And of course, the live sessions 2 to 3 times a week, where you learn directly from me, interact interact directly with me, ask questions, and we do some trading together and some education together, because I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained? Okay. So when you do sign up for the Tribal Trades Discord, it's a month-to-month subscription. You're not locked in. Of course, if it's not for you, we always will wish you all the best, and the next person from the wait list will move in. And that's part of what the Tribal Trades Discord is all about. But we know that once you come in, you won't want to leave when you see all these incredible trades and the incredible amount of money that this community is making in the Tribal Trades Discord. Well, that's all I have time for today. Until the next episode, or until I see you in the Discord, happy trading.